Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I want to tell you about my hobby. I'm Faiz. My hobby is gardening. My parents live in the country. I spend every summer holidays. There is nothing like this place. I like to help my father and mother with our works in the garden. Our garden is full of fruits. It's difficult and interesting to look after them. I try to learn how to look after them better. I read books and watch different TV programs about gardening. When I was a little boy, I only watered the flowers. Now I can plant them. I think that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.